Welcome to Symbaloo. Today, we're going to show you how you can create and customize markers so you can easily identify your tiles. Let's get started. Creating markers for your tiles is really easy. First, you must click Edit Webmix button. Then click on the Markers button. The next step is to click on the Add Marker to Webmix button and then drag your mouse above the group of tiles that you wish to create a marker for. The feature also allows you to choose a marker color, assign a name for this marker, and resize the marked area afterwards. If you wish to delete the marker, you can do so by clicking on Edit Webmix and then, once again, click on Marker. Proceed by selecting the marker you wish to remove, and lastly click on the Remove button. And just like that, it is gone. Now, the next handy feature is creating tile groups, allowing you to have a smaller and more organized webmix with lots of tiles within your groups. Afterwards, you can change the name, color, and even resize that tile. Let's get started. First, you will click on a tile you wish to add to a group, drag it on top of the next one. You will automatically have 4 spaces. Then click away for a second so you can right-click on the group you just created and select Edit Group Size. By doing so, you will have the same menu that you have for a tile. It will add more spaces to the top or to the bottom, depending on the location of that group. So now, we'll keep on dragging those tiles within that group. By doing so, you will be freeing space. Your webmix will look a lot smaller, and you will still have all your resources within one single tile group. You can also change the tile group's icon by either uploading an image yourself or selecting one of our pre-existing icons. To make it more personalized, you might as well want to add a name. Lastly, the tile group's color can also be changed. You can choose from these options. Next, we will teach you how to copy or move a tile. By right-clicking on it, you will have the ability to copy or move it to any of the webmixes you have editing rights. To do so, you will have to click on this button, offering you the option to copy or move your tile. We will select Copy Tile. To confirm that it was moved, just simply go to the webmix where you chose to copy it to. Now, remember to always update your changes. Click Update Webmix Changes if you have shared it. You will then see a confirmation saying that you successfully updated your shared webmix. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.